Danger is everywhere, from raging tornadoes, devastating floods, to terrifying landslides, all captured on camera with stunning realism. Are you ready to witness the destructive power of nature? If you're ready, then join me in this video. Let's go. Look at this. It's a truck, weighing thousands of kilograms, yet it was crushed by the raging floodwaters in just 10 seconds. This lucky guy managed to capture the moment of a landslide right next to a busy road. Thankfully, no one was there. A devastating flood struck the city of Mumbai, India, leaving destruction in its wake. Houses were easily toppled, and the people could only watch helplessly as their belongings were swept away. All they could do was call for help from the authorities. And here is a village perched on a mountainside. This year's heavier-than-usual rainfall triggered a massive landslide. Fortunately, the villagers had been evacuated in time. A sudden storm struck the city of Miami, USA, with winds reaching 120 miles per hour, causing panic among the nearby crowd. People scrambled in all directions, desperately trying to save themselves. Take a look at this intense footage of a tornado sweeping through Harry Street in Wichita, Kansas. It's so terrifying that you won't believe your eyes. Buildings and vehicles were mercilessly destroyed by the raging twister.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Watch as a powerful flash flood tears through a village in Afghanistan in July 2024, leaving widespread devastation in its wake. As you can see, a man is swept away by the powerful floodwaters, struggling desperately to avoid being carried further. Luckily, he managed to pull himself to safety, escaping the danger just in time. Watch as this terrifying flood destroys a house in India. In just a few seconds, the house collapses into the raging waters, breaking apart in an instant. This CCTV footage captures a teacher giving a lecture to students in a classroom when suddenly, a powerful earthquake strikes, throwing the room into chaos. A trailer slams into a storm chaser's car during a powerful tornado, capturing the sheer force and danger of nature's fury. A massive landslide brought tons of soil and rocks tumbling down a hillside, right as a train was passing through. Several carriages were severely damaged, giving the driver an unforgettable and harrowing experience. A massive landslide crashes down with unstoppable force, reshaping the landscape in an instant.
Oh, 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 oh my God. Oh, begin.
Heavy rains in Pakistan create a mesmerizing scene as floodwaters cascade into the ground, showcasing the raw power of nature in action. This man couldn't help but shout, "Oh my God!" as a powerful lightning strike hit right before his eyes, sending him into a panic as he ran for his life. This guy is incredibly lucky to have miraculously survived a horrifying encounter with a powerful tornado in Nebraska. The tornado whipped up dust and debris into the air, creating a blinding zone of chaos. It would have been extremely dangerous if he had been swept away by the storm. This boy managed to capture the fascinating scene of rainwater flooding into his room, making the space messier than ever before. In Taiwan, these people were playing badminton in the hall when suddenly a powerful earthquake struck, causing the entire ceiling to collapse as they scrambled to escape the building.
Powerful gusts of wind tore roofs off buildings and uprooted trees, turning the streets into zones of destruction. In such situations, the most important thing is to stay indoors. It's both alarming and dramatic to witness a massive tsunami crashing onto the beach promenade. The water surges as if trying to devour everything, while the wind howls and the sky darkens like a warning. A terrifying yet utterly captivating moment. Let yourself marvel at this breathtaking moment in Hawaii. A brilliant red river of molten lava flows relentlessly into the sea, sending plumes of steam skyward and causing the ocean to boil furiously. The passionate union of fire and water, a spectacle both terrifying and wondrous, crafted by the unparalleled power of nature.